नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वर्यादिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvajñapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, hundreds of Adinavasis channels, YouTube Live, Twitter Live, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. Cities sitting with us, long list. So, I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll continue on Adinam Chalo series, nitty-gritties of Shaktipada, tearing education to pieces. Understand breaking restrictive patterns and making you manifest your ultimate reality is Sadashiva's education. Confirming to your restrictive patterns and within that patterns trying to grow you, develop you, paint your skin, give you the feel-good feeling is Macaulay's education. Listen. The inner space of the visionary matters for the result of the vision. Listen. Inner space of the visionary matters for the result of the vision. You are fool if you think you can have good benefits from the vision of a person who do not have right inner space. No. Inner space of the visionary matters when it comes to the usefulness of the vision. Confirming to the restrictions of your inner image means starting with a declaration of failure your whole life. Like how in the morning puja, we start with a declaration. I authentically cognize whatever we declare, superconsciousness exists and Swamiji is the Chinmaya Vigraha. So that is the declaration, foundation on which you do the puja. If you conform to the restrictive patterns of your inner image, start anything in your life, gone over. It means you are starting with your life. Hereby I authentically declare I will collapse and fail. Then what's the use of any stupidity you do after that? After that, oh, I will build 2,000 airports all over the world. I will get Nobel Peace Prize. What is the use? Listen. The fundamental declaration matters. Just today morning, I was sharing with some of my inner circle team. Listen. I was giving a responsibility to one of our Adinavasi. I said, when you represent me, manifest my outer image, not the outer image of your inner image. The moment you represent me, your inner image has no role in the whole scene. Now only my inner image should be your inner image. So my outer image only should be your outer image. Go and behave like that. That is integrity. That is integrity. Manifesting my outer image, holding my inner image, is what is integrity to me. Many fellows come and tell me, Swamiji, bless me, I have to be completely integrated to you. I don't feel like raising the hand like this. I feel like raising the hand like this. Understand, the fundamental principle integrity means carrying my inner image, manifesting my outer image means integrity to me. Whole day confusion, whole night completion is not integrity to me, it is integrity to you. Your confusion. Do not claim you are integrated to me if you don't manifest my inner image and my outer image. Integrity to Sadashiva means manifesting his inner image and manifesting his outer image. Not you will do all your stupidity and the night send one completion message. Education means fundamentally breaking your restrictive patterns and manifesting your highest possibilities. Understand? Education does not end when you leave school. Uneducated are those who are educated only in school. Uneducated are those who are educated only in school. Poor man is a guy who has only money. Definition of poverty. Man is poor if he has only money. Uneducated are those who are educated only in schools. Life is education. As long as you breathe, education continues, continues, continues. Education continues, continues, continues. I tell you, it's only by education you keep yourself alive. It is education which makes you a mystical being. One of the Guruji told me personally, I don't read books at all. Then why don't you die? Good for planet Earth and for your disciples. There's nothing to be proud about. I don't read books at all. There are thousands and thousands of people are listening to your stupidity. Whatever you vomit, why don't you just freshen up yourself? Be in tune with what is happening with the outer world. It is like doctor telling, I don't read modern medical journals. I just do what I learnt in 1962. Will you lie down on the table? If you lie down, you will not get up, that's all. If you lie down trusting on that kind of doctors, Kai Kaslas, Kai Las. Kai Kaslas and Kai Las. Understand? Integrity to your brand and updating yourself with what is happening in the field, in your chosen field, is cute. Not ignorance. Ignorance pre-declared does not become intelligence. Understand? Ignorance declared by the self before your discovery does not mean he is intelligent. Of course, the moment he opens his mouth, everyone understands he neither reads nor thinks. But he himself declares, I don't read books, does not make him intelligent. It's not cute. Then don't do this profession. Get lost. There are many professions where you don't need to be updated about yourself and your field. Listen. To express every thought current, please understand, a doctor is a thought current, a lawyer is a thought current, economist is a thought current, engineer is a thought current. Every field is a thought current. Politics is thought current. Religion is thought current. Each religion is a thought current. Each society has a thought current. Being updated about what is happening in the thought current in the society as on now, so you can decide your stand and feeling empowered by the thought current. When I say feeling empowered by the thought current, I don't mean accepting. Whether you accept or reject, you need to know the thought current. Only then you will be empowered by the thought current is education. If you are an auditor, you should know in that field what is happening current. If you are a doctor, you should know what is happening in that field current. If you are a lawyer, you should know what is happening in that field current. What is happening in that field current and getting empowered by the updations of the current thought current is education. Thanks to internet revolution, education is simple now. Very simple. The moment you know what you want to know, you can know at the rate of thought current, literally no cost. Communication and education. Communication and education at the speed of thought current, at zero rate, is already achieved. Zero cost is already achieved. It's time for humanity to evolve itself and upgrade itself, update itself. Understand, if you want to retain the trust of your clients, customers, beneficiaries, you need to be integrated to the updation of the thought current you are living. Unfortunately, education lost this context. Education has lost this context. Education has become so unscientific and infrastructured system. Understand? I tell you, there are at least 100 permanent, complete cure for cancer available on the planet Earth. 100 method. But it will never become popular because cancer is not disease, it is business. It's billions of dollar business. What will happen to the infrastructure you established? A huge operation theaters, surgeons who spent their all time, money, energy and studied surgery, and the chemotherapy medicine. God, the biggest scam is chemotherapy medicine. Not only its effect, its cost, both. One of my devotees who is a doctor told me, Swamiji, invest in this field, it's the best money. I said, I am not interested in doing any business. He said, that is the best money. The actual cost of the medicine is 37 rupee. You can sell for please listen, 200,000, 2 lakh. That is just not 137 rupee, 37 rupee, 2 lakh. I have evidence for what I am talking. It's an insider information. I said, what do you mean? He said, yes, Swamiji. There are medicines. 37 rupee cost. 2 lakh is selling price. So what will happen to all these businesses or scams in the name of businesses? The legitimate scams. I tell you, most of the education has become like that. Already enough of transportation methods which makes roads and fossil fuel, means petrol, diesel, redundant, is discovered, invented, available. They will never be allowed to become popular by the fossil fuel and automobile road making lobbies. Then what will happen to the millions of kilometers roads you built using the slaves and indigenous tribes and the pride you are the well-built country? Now suddenly everything becomes redundant. Your roads are no more useful for transportation and your automobiles are no more needed to move from one place to another. The next level methodologies have come to keep yourself relevant, not letting humanity to evolve the next level. That quality only we call demonic administration. Rakshasa Rajya. Keeping the growth of the humanity as a first priority and not bothered about your supremacy is Rama Rajya. Understand, these fools again and again talk about Rama, abusively saying, why did he send Sita to forest? Hey, you love Sita more than him? When he sends Sita to forest, he himself has gone to forest. He lost his very life, reason to live. But somebody has to uphold the dharma non-controversially, and he was ready to make even the ultimate sacrifice for that. If he can destroy Ravana just for looking at Sita wrongly, can't he destroy that washerman for talking abusively about Sita? Can't he destroy that washerman talking abusively for Sita? The so-called feminists use this one to abuse Ramayana left and right. And if you see the religions they are promoting, it's all very great respect for women. And even after sending to forest, where is she staying? In a rishi's house. in a Rishikul. He knows a certain ambience required for Lavakusha's happening cannot be provided in a busy palace. They need a beautiful ambience to land on the planet Earth. He provides that Vatavarana by sending Sita to forest. People tell me, you could have protected us during the attack. Fool, you think I can't? I wanted you to get trained to wage these wars for Hinduism. Whoever is able to wage, let them stand. Let them stay back, others step back. If you can, you stay back, others step back. It is Sadashiva Sena, the army of Nagas, Shastra in the right hand, Shastra in the left hand. Jnana in one hand, Jnana Katka in the other hand. I have declared, we protect Sanatana Hindu Dharma. We bring legitimacy to Sanatana Hindu Dharma within the framework of law of the land and constitutional rights given to us. We need to protect Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And I tell you, our Dharma is in such shape, even to retain your fundamental rights, you have to wage war. Even to retain your fundamental rights, you have to fight. Freedom is not free. Freedom is not free for Hindus. That is the reason I let everyone to stand up on their own during the attack. Whoever stood up stayed back, others stepped back. Rama knows. He's a great father. He does not want his kids to come up with the arrogance and that innate pattern of I am Rama's son. Everything belongs to me. that taking it for granted and born with a silver spoon. I tell you, anybody born with silver spoon becomes Dumbo. Dumbos. Whether you inherit the organization from your guru, or inherit the company from your parents, or you grab the organization from guru, you are Dumbo. Just Dumbo, Dumbo, Dumbo. Only when you create, especially facing all the oppositions and attacks and standing up to your integrity, declaring the freedom. Understand, I have literally done an Ashwamedha Yajna. I declared my integrity. Wherever my horse went, whoever tried to attack, I won all the places. Not out of arrogance or pride. Integrity to Sadashiva. I am declaring this truth. Not out of arrogance and pride. It's because of integrity to Sadashiva. On the one hand, Prasthanatraya, another hand, Trishula. March 2nd and March 3rd. Understand? Education means constantly breaking your impossibilities and making all the best possibilities manifest. Not confusion, completion, complication. Not the confusion, completion, complication. If you are completing for the same thing second time, it is no more completion, it is complication. If you are divorcing 10 times and patching up 11 times, you should put a status of your relationship, it is complicated. Don't put engaged, don't put single, don't put married. Put it is complicated. If you are completing for the same thing again and again, second time or third time, it is not completion, it is complication. Completion is most of the time used to hide your cheating pattern. Break this confusion, completion, complication. essence of today's satsang. Break confusion, completion, complication. So essence of today's satsang is get out of confusion, completion, complication. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.